Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
My good people, and welcome back to Anointed Lady TV. And welcome back to your #1 channel for legit news on politics and many other cocoa with the sub for this our green white green country, so we be Nigeria. And as usual, we don't come back with breaking news, we don't come back with updates. We don't come back with legit informate who would like share give the general public. And the cocoa now be say one northern Islamic group don't come aside now. They advise the 001 for our nation Nigeria, the #1 citizen, our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu, to make him consider to choose a northerner of Christian extraction as his running mate in the forthcoming 2027 presidential election. Now, this group where they somehow they advise are very much known as Concerned Northern Muslim Women. They yarn this call now in a press statement on Sunday, and this their press statement is signed by their convener, will be Bala Duguri. And the Duguri in question now they yarn they give the general public say the advice they come after a wide consultations across northern states with various Islamic organizations. According to how they talk, they come aside from the mouth of Bala Duguri. He said their group don't undertake wider consultations across the northern states with different Islamic organizations in a bid to speak with one voice over the political direction in the APC-led administration, and the outcome is very encouraging. And he said based on their findings, there was a growing consensus say political equity and fairness they demand a religious balance in 2027 ticket. Now them don't carefully consider the present situation of this our green white green country, so maybe Nigeria, coupled with deep concern for the well-being of their people in the spirit of fairness, equity and justice, and the sacrifices made by their fellow Christian brothers and sisters for the 2023 presidential elections in the spirit of unity and national progress need to be acknowledged. And time now don't reach for Muslim political actors to make similar sacrifices. And as a Muslim organization where them be, they want to use this opportunity now to call on all potential Muslim nominees for the vice presidential slot to make the necessary sacrifice by dropping their ambitions for the good of the country. The group now they appeal, they give men we want to be presidential candidates of our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu for the year 2027. Men will be Muslim. Say make them do the calms, make them reciprocate, make them return back the sacrifices where Christians they make during 2023. Make them do them for 2027 by allowing a Christian vice presidential aspirant from the north to contest, and not be only to contest, to actually win as the vice presidential candidate of our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And still from inside their statement, the group now they urge our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu and all the stakeholders of the All Progressive Congress say it go nice, it go good, it go make many sense if they consider their advice in the spirit of unity, equity and justice. And the convener of this group so will be Duguri. He now the yarn they give the general public say the advice where they come from the group so they come from one person, no, but they come from many, and the advice is very much rooted in genuine concern for national cohesion, democratic stability and the continued success of Tinubu government. And after extensive consultations, after men don't do plenty consultations, meaningful consultations across religious plus ethnic and political lines for inside the north, the group now they believe say the most appropriate step forward is for a northern Christian to be selected as the vice presidential candidate for the year 2027. And not be like my good people. No say before this report, before this advice come board now by this group, so rumors don't already dey ground say Shetima will be former governor of Borno State and the current vice president of we nation Nigeria, no be go last be vice president for inside the year 2027. Our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu go drop am. Now my good people, anyhow this report be you for body, or if you be say get contributions about this very particular informate, so no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put down your comments inside our comment section. But meanwhile, we still get another report for table where I still need share with the general public. And the cocoa be say the human rights lawyer Deji Adeyanju, don't come outside and they condemn wetin him they describe as a coordinated attack by the supporters of the Labour Party, their 2023 presidential candidate, and that na Mr. Peter Obi, popularly known as the Obedient Group. Oga Deji Adeyanju now dey yarn say na Obedient Group na cause am why men now come disable the Facebook page of a former presidential candidate wey be Omoyele Sowore. And Oga Deji dey yarn this one, so im dey write this one for his social media pages. Im now dey describe the move as shameful. Im now dey describe the things and things wey im dey believe say Obedient movement don do as undemocratic. And he said the thing dey reflect an intolerance of opposing voices, according to how he writes for one of his social media page. He said it is very much disappointing that Mr. Peter Obi supporters, known as the Obedient movement, they don go gang up to go report Omoyele Sowore Facebook page simply because im dey talk the truth about their candidate Mr. Peter Obi, and he constantly let men dey know say if men now want to be honest, if men want to talk the truth, men go see and say during the time of Mr. Peter Obi as the governor of Anambra State, failures plenty, doctors go on strike, education suffer, and Mr. Peter Obi, wey be the governor that time, refused to hold local government elections. Things and things go wrong during his time. But despite every his supporters, wey be the Obedient movement, they work extremely hard to paint Mr. Peter Obi as a saint, to paint him as a good person. And still this Mr. Peter Obi in question, he been there for APGA before, he come cross carpet go PDP, and then he constant cross carpet go the Labour Party. That dey show say he no get clear ideology. And now say Mr. Omoyele Sowore, wey be also a presidential candidate, dey talk the truth, dey reveal all these levels now through his Facebook page. He come kukuma make the Obedient movement now come see and say yes, time don reach for them to report Oga Omoyele Sowore Facebook page, wey come make men now don disable the page. And according to Oga Deji, those kind of levels no make sense at all at all. E no nice to dey attack dissenting voices like Omoyele Sowore, a man wey men for inside we nation Nigeria dey describe as a consistent voice for justice and truth. These attacks now by Obedient supporters, supported and sanctioned by Mr. Peter Obi himself, are very much aimed at hiding the truth. Nobody hates Mr. Peter Obi. Wetin dey oppose na all the lies and image washing by his followers. And they no go allow politics now come turn cults for inside we nation Nigeria. Country people deserve truth and accountability. These my good people, now the things and things will come aside from the mouth of Mr. Deji Adeyanju, and this now the information I want share give the general public. Now anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you be say get contributions about this very particular topic, so no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put am inside our comment section. Once again, now we be Anointed Lady TV, and our hobby now to dey give on our legit news on politics and many other cocoa with the sup for inside this our green country, so we be Nigeria. And if you be say you like this update and you go like to receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as soon they bring more news they come your side, then go first receive the updates and you go even get them sharp. Now me they go get more news, me they go get more reports, me they go get more information for you, my good people. Try make it no go anywhere.